In this video, we'll create a report that displays number of customers who purchased regularly for last 3 months. Also, we'll display their customer ID. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. If the customer has purchased for the last 3 months regularly, we'll refer them as a regular customer. If you have one regular customer in April, they should have purchased in March and February. To achieve the desired result, we'll create a 3 virtual table for each month. That is current month, previous month using calculate table function. We are using calculate table function because we need the result in a table format. We want to use this in an intersect function. Later we'll find the common customer from these 3 tables using intersect function. This is what intersect function will do. When you pass table A and table B to the intersect, we got the result 2 and 3 because 2 and 3 only the value which is common in both tables. Let's over to the Power BI. We have 3 dimension table, that is calendar table, product table and customer table. It is connected to our transaction table, that is orders, through one-to-many relationship. Let us over to the report view. We have metrics that display year and month. Let's start by creating a new measure. We'll name this regular customer. We'll create our first variable, month 1. Calculate table. Our table is values, customer ID. Close the bracket. We'll return this table using return statement. One more bracket to close. Since this is a table, we'll not be able to use directly in the measure. So we need to use a count row function, and our table is month 1. Close the bracket and commit. Bring this measure to our visual. This is the number of customers who did a sales with us during current month. We'll repeat the same process for the previous month. Copy this code using shortcut, that is Alt Shift down arrow key. We'll change the name to month 2, and we need to write one filter condition, that is date add, because we need a previous month's customers. Calendar date, and the number of interval is we need a previous month, that is -1 in month. Let's find the common customers from this 2 table using intersect function. We write another variable, month 1 and 2. Intersect, left table is month 1, right table is month 2. Close the bracket. Instead of month 1, we'll return this month 1 and 2, where we have a common customer for month 1 and 2. Let's bring this table little down so we can see our code properly. This is the number of customers who has made up sales with us during current month and previous month. We'll repeat the same process for the previous month. We'll copy this code using shortcut, that is Alt Shift down arrow key. This time we'll name it month 3, and we need to go back previous month, that is -2. Let's move this code to line number 4. The shortcut is Alt key plus up arrow key. Using intersect function, we'll compare the first month that represent month 1 and 2 with month 3 that represent previous month. Commit. This is the number of customers who has made a sales with us during current month, previous month and previous month. Next, we need to bring the customer ID of the regular customer over here. For that, let us copy the same code what we just now created and create a new measure. We'll name this measure regular customer ID. Paste the copied code. Instead of count row function, we use CONCATENTEX function. This is our table, and the expression we want to return customer ID. Commit. We'll bring this measure to our report. Now we got our result. This is number of customer and this is their customer ID. That's all for now. See you next time with another interesting next topic. Until then, bye bye.